Hello guys, in this session we'll see how to create AVD, that is Android virtual device, so that we can install our first Hello World application on that virtual device. So let us create Android virtual device by using tool AVD Manager. So click on tools menu and then AVD Manager. So here you can get button create virtual device, Android virtual device. Now this window tells you about the size of that Android virtual device, that is screen size, then the resolution and the density. So right now I'm selecting the setting as it is, or default setting. Click on next. Now here we require the system image from Android version, so I'm selecting the latest one, Android Q. So download that, just accept terms and condition, click on next. So it will download the system image from the internet, so it will take some time to download that image. Once it will finish the downloading, then click on finish. So see, here you can see the system image of Pi is present. Okay, now you can click on next. Now here you can give AVD name, so I'm giving my AVD as my AVD name, and then click on finish. So it will create the Android virtual device for you. So you can see this is your Android virtual device. So try to launch this, close this, and see, we are going to launch this AVD. So here automatically your virtual device is appeared here. So just click on this button to get install your Hello World application on AVD. But see, sometimes you are getting this warning, that is Intel HAXM is required to run this AVD, so it is not installed. So install Intel HAXM for better emulation performance. So click on OK, click on next, click on S. Just install this HAXM, that is, it is processor of Intel. And sometimes in BIOS we need to enable the virtualization technology option. Sometimes whenever we are running this virtual device, and if you are working on laptop or machine, and in the BIOS the virtualization technology option is disabled, then also we are getting the problem, we are also facing the problem. So make sure that virtualization technology option is enabled in BIOS of your device. Okay, so these two things you should know, that is, there should be HAXM this one plugin should be installed, and the virtualization technology of your BIOS. Getting? So now see, Gradle is building and our devices will be installed on virtual device. So see, Android virtual device is launched. Getting? And now the APK will be built, and then that APK will be installed on this Android virtual device, and then we'll see the output, that is Hello World on our Android virtual device. Okay, so this will take some time, okay, as per your computer configuration. Okay, so see, your focus should be here. It is showing that waiting for target device to come online, so still it is loading, so that's why we are not finding. But once this loading is finished, then this APK will be installed on this virtual device. So this is your Android virtual device. See, still it is loading. So see, this is one option, that is Android virtual device. If you don't have physical phone, then you can go for this option, Android virtual device. But what is the drawback of this? This do not supports the hardware things, because this is virtual device. So for simple for running simple application, simple Android application, you can use this Android virtual device. But if your applications has some hardware require hardware things, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, getting, then this virtual device will not work. See the output of your first Hello World Android application. So there is a text view, that is Hello World, and see this application is launched on your virtual device. So see, this virtual device looks like your physical device. See, back button is there, tab button is there, home button is there. So you can click on back button, getting, and see you can see the launcher icon of your Hello World application, which is present on home screen or app screen. So we'll see that. So just launch and just try to find out your home. See Hello World application. So this is launcher icon. So click on this launcher icon, you'll get the same output, that is activity of Hello World application will be launched. So this is what the output of first Android application, that is Hello World. So this is what AVD. Okay, so I hope the how to create Android application, first Android application, that is Hello World, and how to run that Android application on virtual Android virtual device, this concept is clear to you, getting. So next lecture we'll see the how to run this or other Android application on physical phone. Thank you.